How to add a border frame on the video you're editing using the YouCut video editor app. Make sure you have the latest update. It's 2025 and let's get started. So you want to have something that looks like this here where there is this little frame around the video. Now, this is not necessarily adding a frame. It's just a way of kind of, you can say, tricking the video. So let's just say you have a video and of course you've done your edits and now you want to add a frame around it. And the one way to do this, or one of the ways to do this, is by going over to where it says BG right here. You see where it says BG? Go to that. And then you want to make sure you select color. As you go to the color section, you'll have all these different options and just find the color that's going to help your video stand out. And in my case, I'll just go with this hot pink right here as it does make the video stand out a bit more. Now at default, it's going to appear like this here, where it's going to be really thick borders. And of course, we don't want it to be like that unless you want it to be like that. Now, if you want to actually make the borders thin, take your two fingers like this here, and you can zoom in or zoom out. So as you start to zoom in, you'll notice that the frame is getting smaller, and that's because you're just simply expanding the video here. But you want to do this as slow as possible to kind of catch the slimmest version of it being like this here. Okay, so if this is something like that, maybe perhaps, and you just press a check mark, and now your video will have this border frame around it. It's just like a cheat way to do this. That's the best way I can say it, a cheat way of doing this. And of course, you'll have your frame there. All right, like and sub.